Don't need to be freaked out. And don't let this freak you out. But there are 10 million people watching you.
Lilli Beth!
Yep, we sold 10 million tickets tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what to sing. It's super easy, and I think you might know it. And then you try it, and they're all gonna sing with you, so you don't have to feel weird. It goes like this. Fix your hair too.
Oh, she knows this one!
Okay, hold on a second. You're singing all the words that I didn't tell you to sing. I don't even know what song that was. We're just gonna go with the Hey Soul Sister part. You're just gonna sing it over and over until it's like a weird frenzy in here. Hey Soul Sister, 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 Hey Soul Sister. Okay, you seem to really have it going on up here. So, I don't know how many drinks you've had, but you've had the perfect amount as far as I'm concerned. So let's try it. I'm gonna have you take over, and I'll sing it, and then you try it. It goes like this. Just you, everybody just chill out back there. So check it out. Hey, soul sister.
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 Hey, now Mr.
Hey, that Mr.
Okay, you're kind of an advanced student. So you think you got some stuff? Okay, so let's take it up to this notch then. You ready? Hey, soul sister.
Hey, soul sister.
Hey, soul sister.
Hey, soul sister.
That was that good. Okay.